Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer or deposit your Pi to an exchange of your choice. Let's say a popular trading exchange like Bitget. You all know that tomorrow being 20th of February, Pi network is going to be listing on Bitget, right? And Bitget is one place you can deposit your coin. So now I'm going to be taking you guys step-by-step guide on how to do that. So right now, stay to the very end so that you don't miss any step or lose your Pi trying to send it to a wallet address or thereabout. Stay away from all these scam exchange that Pi is already trading in their exchange platform, right? Now, first of all, go to your Bitget. If you don't have a Bitget account, I'm going to be leaving the link in the comment section. So now go and get a Bitget account and register fast away so that you can deposit your Pi right in there. If you are from Nigeria, I recommend Bitget. Though Bitget won't be the only exchange listing Pi. There are going to be a lot of exchange. Binance, OKS is there too, but right now it seems like OKS is no longer working in Nigeria, might be working in other countries, I don't know. So right now all you have to be doing is just go to the asset part. Now the asset part, come to sports. Once you come to sports, the next thing you are going to be doing is searching for Pi. So we search for Pi. So right there you scroll, right there is Pi. Now you come to these three dots in the bottom icon, the three dot before the trade icon. So you click on it. Now you're going to be seeing buy, sell, and deposit. You come to deposit right here. Now you are going to be copying this address right in here. This is the address you are going to wait for it to open. So you copy this particular address right now. So you move into your Pi browser, because Pi browser, if you have been migrated already, your Pi should be located in your Pi browser, right? All right. Now, in my Pi browser, I'll just going to log into my wallet and show you guys how to do that right away. So let's patiently wait for it to load down. Okay, this is it, and I'll just go to my wallet straight in. Let's wait for it to load. I'll be using my fingerprint, so now, all right. So this is my Pi balance right here. So I cannot send out my own. If not, I would have sent it out just to make an example so that you all can see that it works, right? So but what I'm going to do, if you want to do it, you come to where they say pay. That is if you haven't if you've been migrated and yours isn't locked. If yours has been released to the main balance, then this is how you can transfer it. So now we say pay manual address, add manual contract address. So right now you are just going to be putting in the amount of Pi. Let's say you want to transfer 100. So and a fee will be charged for it. You put in the wallet address right here. So now they are requesting for memo, and the memo is optional. Even at that, we're still going to go back to her to check if there's anything like memo. Right now you can see on our Bitget platform there's nothing like memo in there. So now that there's nothing like memo, then we come back and we click on send. Let's just say send. Now it tell you that you are about to send Pi to this address, send to this particular address. So you have to be confirming to make sure that this particular address is correct. Now mine won't work because mine is still locked, right? So we notice this address isn't your wallet contact. Please be sure to know that this and know and trust this individual before transferring any Pi. Yeah, after this you check to see that everything is correct. You can see it ended with 35E right there. That's my wallet. Then I will just say confirm. Now you can see error. The amount of transaction fee cannot be greater than the Pi available in the balance. Okay, because I don't have enough Pi to send, that's why it's not going through. But trust me, if you take this step, it will go through for you and you will see your Pi right there in Bitget wallet in no time. So if you still have doubt about this, all you have to be doing is, if you have about this is what I do whenever I have a doubt about a certain kind of thing to do. You try it out with one Pi first. You try sending like one Pi, then if that goes through and it appears in your Bitget wallet, then you can decide on whether to send all in there or not to send all in there. So that's how you are going to be doing it, and that's how it's done, right? Okay, now that's all for this particular tutorial, and thanks for watching to the very end. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video to your loved ones, and see you guys in my another video. Bye.